Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 468 bitwise OR of even numbers in an array. So very easy problem. You are given an integer array nums and we have to return the bitwise OR of all the even numbers in the array. And if there are no even numbers in nums, then we have to return 0. So now if you see this example number 1, so even numbers are 2, 4 and 6, right? And what is bitwise OR? So in bitwise OR, if any one value is a 1, then we have to always return the result as 1, right? So this is a table of bitwise OR, right? So here let's say A is like this, B is like this, and this is nothing but our result, right? So now here if I want to do the bitwise OR of 2 and 4, so 2, however, I'm going to write it binary form. So I'm going to write like this, right? 1, 2, 4 and 8. How I'm going to write 4 in binary form? I'm going to write it like this, 1 0 0 and here 0. And what is the output that I'm going to get? I'm going to get something like this, 1 1 0 0, right? Which is nothing but here 6, right? And if I do the bitwise OR of this with 6 again, 0 1 1 0, so again I'm going to get 0 1 1 0, that is nothing but 6, right? So 2 4 and 6 even numbers are this one, and their bitwise OR is 6, right? That's it. So this is how we need to solve this problem. Here there are no even numbers, so we have to return output as 0, right? And here these two are even numbers, 8 and 16. So 16, how we are going to write? 1 2 4 8 16. So 16 we are going to write like this, 1 0 0 0 0, and 8 we are going to write like this, right? So overall the result is going to look like this, 1 1 and 0 0 0, which is nothing but 24, right? So and the constant size is very small, right? So now you can do one thing, you can iterate over all the numbers one by one, just check if that particular number is even. If yes, then just do the bitwise OR of that particular number, right? This is what we need to do. So you can simply use this technique, like nums, like this number modulus with the 2, if it is equal to 0, that simply means it is even. Or you can also do it one more way. Just if you see this 2, 2, how you're going to write it in binary form like this. So just do the AND with 1. So if you do the AND of this one with 1, so what you are going to get? You are going to get 0, right? That simply means that it is even. So if you do the AND of any number with 1, and if the result is not 0, or you can say if the result is not 0, then in that case that simply means that particular number is odd, right? So here if you see, this is faster than this. You can also try to solve this with this, but this is faster, right? So result is 0, then you are iterating over all the numbers one by one, and then just do AND with 1, right? So if the result is 0, that simply means that it is even, right? In that case you have to do this, right? If the result is 0, right? But if you see any other number, let's say 11, or let's say 7, so how you write 7? 1 2 4 8. So 7 you write it like this, now 1 1, here also 1, right? And here 0, and 1 you are going to write like this, right? So here see, the output of this one is going to be 1, it is not 0, right? So if this is 0, right, if the complete output is 0, then in that case that simply means even. So this is faster than nums modulus with 2, right? So this is the code for this one, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you, bye bye.